I shared a simple assorted jollof rice recipe in our previous video, and in today's video we are going to be making an easy fried rice recipe by transforming a leftover rice into a flavor-packed dish. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. To begin with, in a large wok, melt some butter, break in 2 eggs, add some salt to taste, scramble the eggs and cook it till it is well cooked. Take the scrambled eggs out from the wok once it is cooked and set it aside. In that same wok, melt a little amount of the remaining butter. So we are going to fry some sausages in the melted butter for about 2 to 3 minutes or till they start browning in color. Once the sausages start to brown in color, take everything out and set it aside. After taking out the sausages in that same wok, add some clean cut mackerel fish, that is the smoked one, and saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. The addition of black pepper is totally optional, but I want mine to be a little bit spicy, so I add a little amount of the black pepper powder in and fry or saute the smoked mackerel fish for additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, take all the mackerel fish out from the pan and set it aside to be used later. In that same wok, melt about half teaspoon of coconut oil. Then add in some chopped onions and saute this for about a minute. After a minute of sauteing the onions, add in some chopped carrots and once again saute these two vegetables for 30 seconds. Add in some cut or shredded cabbages. If you do not want cabbages in your fried rice, you can omit this step. I added a little bit of salt to it and saute the vegetables for about a minute. After a minute of sauteing the vegetables or frying the vegetables, take everything out from the wok and set it aside. I love to fry the leftover rice for some time before adding in all the vegetables. I also added in some macaroni. It has been in the refrigerator for I think 2 days now, so it is totally optional if you do not have it. Now I'm going to fry this on a very high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes or till these two items are very hot. Now I'll start adding in the sauces. First goes in some oyster sauce, then I come in with some black soy sauce. Now I'll add in the remaining butter into it and then give it a very good mix. So at this stage, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button if you love this recipe and you want to see more of such recipes. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends and families because you might be helping someone out there. Add in some chopped gingers and garlics and give it a very good stir. I know most fried rice recipes fry the gingers and the garlics before adding in any ingredients. I love this style because when you're eating the fried rice and you will be, biting into some ginger, some garlic. Oh my goodness. Now I added in the cabbages and gave it a very good stir. After 2 minutes of stir frying it, I add in a little bit of the spice mix. You don't have to add if your salt level is okay. Give it a very good mix. If you want to know how I made the spice mix, I will leave a link down in the description for you. Alright, at this point, I'll add in our protein and look at how everything is looking sumptuous. Ah, my goodness. Stir everything together. Now, the last thing to go in is some spring onions. You can use parsley if that is what you have or that is what you want. Stir to mix everything together and enjoy your fried rice. Super simple to make, yet very, very delicious. I hope you do like and try this recipe out. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video and hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy cash. Choose